Hi, it's Ashley from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and welcome back to my channel where I make a lot of cake and cookie decorating tutorials as well as give a lot of baking business tips. And you all saw on Vlogmas yesterday how I tried to recreate a cupcake design that was generated by AI. I think I did an all right job, but as some viewers pointed out, the bottom portion of the cupcake wasn't actually swirly like that. Should have been more flat. I don't know what I was thinking. I think I had just made that cupcake later at night and I just was not on my A game. But don't worry guys, the next few videos that are going to be coming up are going to be more highly decorated cupcake tutorials. But after I decorated this cupcake, my son really wanted to recreate the cupcake as well, so I decided to let him. And it's really funny because I encouraged my daughter when she was around the same age, even younger actually, to start cake decorating and doing all of that, and she was fairly good at it, but it really wasn't her thing. But now that both kids are older, they seem a lot more enthusiastic about baking, and my son actually seems a lot more into baking than my daughter. So he really wanted to try this out, and he wanted to use the special piping bags that Mom uses as well. So as he was creating this, it was kind of funny. I had to cut out the audio because it was just too loud, but he was saying to me that, yeah, this doesn't look right, Mom. And you know what? Sometimes it's not going to look right, and it's not going to look right on the first try especially, but he kept going, and I said, sometimes with cake decorating, you just need to see it through all the way till the end, and it'll look even better than you probably think it does in this moment. So he was having a really fun time creating the fondant sprinkles. Of course, in the actual AI photo, it was just sprinkles that they had, but we didn't have that, so we recreated them with fondant. This was also completely created without any pointers.
It's so big.
Good job, buddy.
It's so big.
How was it decorating the cupcake?
Good.
Was it a little tricky?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but you did a good job, especially with the fondant. And if you're looking for more traditional cupcake decorating tutorials, please go and check out my past Vlogmas videos where I've created cupcakes like this Grinch cupcake, this adorable snowman cupcake. And by the time you're done watching all of those, there will be a new Vlogmas tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now, I'm uploading every single day for Vlogmas, so be sure to come back tomorrow so you can see what I'm decorating next. Bye!